Hello guys, we are in the jungle right now. In jungle mean in nature, and there is nobody here. What me and along with my friends are in the jungle. We are moving in the jungle as a jungle safari, and along with me, Rajneesh, Mukesh, and Manjit are. We are visiting in the jungle. In the lockdown period, we are just inspecting our jungle land, forest land, and nourishing ourselves in the nature, because we are the part of the nature, not the owner of this nature. As like that of the animals, plants, trees, flora and fauna, we are also the one of them. To stay in jungle for some time, it is very pleasant moment. Here is the very natural sounds along with these mantras. The jungle is full of relaxed. Every part of this forest, these are the very dense forests, mainly have the cheer trees and some sheds. What basically it contains this kadi patta plants, generally we called gandla in our area, and these plants are very helpful in diabetic and in digestion purpose. That's why mainly in the villages we used it as a morning brush, so that our immunity become okay. But with the modernization, we use the brushes. With the passage of all that things, diabetic and other things are also day by day increasing. Hello guys. Hello. So it is very pleasant moment here in the forest. We are in the pathway to back. I am here. Yes, here is my shoes. I am on the barefoot, so that I touch the soil, this sand. That relax me a lot. Very helpful. What is here?
More peacock.
Peacock. Okay. These are the footprints of peacock in the jungle, as well as the pig, wild pig. So stay some time in the forest, come close to the nature, because we are the part of the nature. We must be there for the better nourishment and the better life.